Any product that needs a manual to work is broken. I always invest my own money in the companies that I create. I don't believe in the whole thing of just using other people's money. I don't think that's right. I'm not going to ask other people to invest in something if I'm not prepared to do so myself. I think you should always bear in mind that entropy is not on your favor. I think it matters whether someone has a good heart. I would like to die on Mars, just not on impact. I'd rather be positive and wrong than negative and right. Patience is a virtue, and I'm learning patience. It's a tough lesson. People should pursue what they're passionate about. That will make them happier than pretty much anything else. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is a problem. When something is important enough, you do it even if it is not in your favor. With artificial intelligence, we are demanding for the demon. You know all those stories where there's the guy with the pentagram and the holy water, and he's like, yeah, he's sure he can control the demon. Doesn't work out.